atin wala eh. Ito, mag-sign lang kasi certification na ginamit ko. Ang 10 million na ito. And that's it, no? That's it. There is no transparency and accountability. So, if you as a government want to talk about good governance, you talk about accountability and transparency that starts from the people who are elected in the first place.
May I add? Sure. This whole spectacle of this rotten budget, no, we've seen how far we've strayed as a nation. That our budget processes and even the party list system has been perverted in order to just benefit a few, not really the people it's supposed to serve. So that moral ascendancy has to be brought back in our institutions. We have lost our moral compass. Wala na tayong North Star. And we want that back. We want officials. Alam mo, my father was in Congress, no? So, and he was a public servant all his adult life. And I want to go back to the time when public servants were simple. Kasi nakasulat yan sa civil service eh. No? You have to, yung simple pamumuhay, simple ka, humble ka, meron kang respeto at may kahihiyan ka sa taong bayan. Napakahalaga nun, mabigat sa'yo yung meron kang accountability sa Pilipino. Kailangan ibalik natin yan. And our public servants, our officials, our leaders are mere reflections of the Filipino people. So if we put people there who feel they do not need to answer to the Filipino people, then really in the end, it's ourselves that we only need to blame. Kasi tayo naglagay tayo nagbigay sa kanila ng poder na yan, ng kapangyarihan na yan. Yung kapangyarihan na yan na ginagamit na saktan tayo. So mamili tayo ng maayos. Merong sinabi si Carl Jung, you are not who you say you are what you do. So ngayong kampanya, maraming matatabis na mga masalita, pero kayo makikinig dyan, ang tignan nyo yung track record, tignan nyo yung character, napakahalaga ng character. Meron ba siyang integridad? Honest ba siya? Nagnanakaw ba siya? Napakahalaga nun kaysa yung promise ng pangako. Hindi. Again, I'll repeat it. You are not who you say you are what you do. You are what you've done with your life. So that is what we look for in our candidates.
Kasi nga, that's why ITs tayo sa panahon, di ba? Pero because of this, dapat alam ng tao kung ano yung ibibigay or ibabalik ninyo. I really have to use that word. Ibabalik ninyo kasi pera ng taong bayan ang pinag-uusapan natin dito kasi. So, kung disadvantaged communities, para sa magsasaka, halimbawa, anong gagawin natin? Para sa fisher folk, halimbawa, ano pong gagawin natin? Sa informal workers, ano po ba ang plano natin? How can we provide better government support, fairer labor policies, and more inclusive social services?